everyone, it's Tammy, and this is our third card using this Hostess stamp set called Cozy Cottage. This is only available to our hostesses, and it's in the Occasions catalog, and that is good through the end of March. And with a $150 purchase, you can get this for free or for a really big discount. And then through the end of March, you also can get, what am I trying to say? Oh, celebrations. So you get free stamp sets or ribbon sets or whatever with every $50 you purchase. So this is a great time to buy, and my link is down below. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'd love to be your demonstrator. But let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is stamp this cute cottage right on this piece of cardstock. And I am using, what is this color? I never remember. Crumb Cake. And you could use Crumb Cake as the ink too. I just thought I was going to use my basic gray. And I have this cut at, I don't even know what size it's cut at. Let me double check. This is cut at 3 3/4 square. And I'm just going to use the cottage. This is going to be a simple card, and I saw another one of my fellow demonstrators. She shared a card with me that she had done something similar to this, and I thought, oh, that's so cute. So I just stamp it up real nice, and I'm trying to see if I can get it straight or straightish. Yeah, that's not bad. So clean that off. And then I'm also going to use, oh, I'll put them over here. I think I did. Oh yes, here it is. This, and I'm going to put I think I'm going to put this longer sentiment if I made it big enough. Yes, I did. Home is wherever I'm with you. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I kind of screwed up, so let me see if I can do it better on the other side. If not, that's okay, but I rocked it. Oh, it still kind of got up there. I'm not going to worry about it though, because I don't mind small imperfections like that, because this is stamping in real life. And this is going to be so simple but so cool. So I have this piece of Whisper White cardstock cut at, so it makes an A2 sized card. And if you guys are not familiar with that, it is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper cut in half and then scored in half, so it creates a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of card. And then I'm going to do this one this way. And it's just going to go on here like that. So I'm just centering it. And then I'm going to take this, and this is a piece of wild wasabi. And I'm trying to decide where I want it. I think I want it down here like that. Okay. And then I think I'm going to trim the edge just a bit. To make a little tab. Okay, I think that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Then I'm going to use a little piece of twine. I'm going to tie it in a simple bow because this is just a simple card. And I don't want to lose the simplicity of it. I'm going to get a glue dot. Oh, that's not glue dots. And it's such a simple little bow, it can go anywhere you want it to, really. There we go. And then I'm going to take my watercolor pencils and I'm going to use the yellow. And I'm simply going to color the windows as though the light is pouring through. And I'm going to go pretty dark on them. This is what she had done, and I thought it was so cute. Now you can go in there and take your watercolor pencil. You don't even have to. And just kind of, or not your watercolor pencil, your aqua pen, and just kind of color that in to kind of set it. So that's all I'm doing. I don't want to take any of the color off. I like the deep, dark yellow. And that, my friends, is it. So this card series was super simple cards and a lot of fun to do. I got to do some watercoloring on each card, which I love. And then this stamp set is just so pretty. And I didn't even use any of these in this series. So you could do this card with just this flower, or you could even do it with just these chairs. Wouldn't that be cool? Or just the flower, or the gate is beautiful too. I don't know why I didn't use them, just because this is what spoke to me and I thought it was just beautiful. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.